What's up, people? This is Jax here, and I'm gonna teach you how to use an Auto Club car wash vacuum. So the way how this works is you grab the hose right here and pull it right out, and then you start vacuuming your car. Or like this.
It up and took it out?
Yeah. Yes.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then you put it back in the slot right here. And that's how you use an Auto Club car wash vacuum. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Peace.